Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to SalonDivaV, and a place to be, y'all. My garden. So today, if you guys watch my video, I pulled this pepper plant out of the garden. I know she don't look too great, but she's still green underneath there. So I said I was gonna see if she gonna come back. Yeah, I know I can just plant another one. But you gotta experiment sometimes, right? Right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replant her and see if she is going to come back. And if she don't, it's okay. I still have this all. I can always do something else with the soil. So nothing is really going to waste. So let's see, put her in here like that. And then just put some more soil on top of her. I'm not gonna fertilize her today because she done been through enough trauma. She done got snowed on. She done been in 29-degree temperatures. I done just yanked her up out of the ground, out of her natural habitat. So yeah, I'm not gonna expose her to any fertilization. All right. So what I'm gonna do is cut off all these little nubs, cut her down, and see what she do. Let me get my shears over here. Do I have some alcohol out here? I do, but that's what I need to learn. I need to learn how to get some organization in my life. Because I'll be wanting to jump in head first. And don't be organized with nothing. Can't find nothing when it's time to find nothing. See, she still got some green up in there, y'all. It's holding on. Barely, but it is. So we're gonna see. We're gonna water her in with some of that good rainwater that I have over there. Look, we already got her a nice glass full. A good drink for her. A good old drink. Next time we're gonna put some of Miss Suge P up in there. Oh, mister, talking trash about Suge. All right, so we got the bell pepper in there, and what shall I do? Tell me what shall I do? The last time I used this for a little greenhouse, it had them blue throughout the yard. So we're gonna try again. Got some air. It's got a little protection. I don't think it's getting too cold anymore. Let's see if I can make it a true greenhouse. If it was a little short, I mean a little bigger, if that stem was a little shorter, it would be better. But anyways, there you have it. There you have it. All right. So that is the bell pepper plant. Oh, you know what? So I'm gonna put this one in here. I know that ain't, I'm gonna remember that's not a jalapeno pepper, but I'm gonna know that it's some kind of pepper. All right, so thank y'all for watching. Y'all hit that subscribe button. We're doing a little experiment in the garden, trying to see if that bell pepper plant is gonna come back. It does have a little green in the inside of it, so we're gonna see. Watered it in, put it in some soil. Not gonna fertilize it today. I'm gonna wait until maybe tomorrow and see. Yeah. So nothing beats a failure but a try, right? We trying. So thank y'all for watching. Share me with your family and your friends. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you're growing. I'm SalonDivaV, in the place to be, y'all. My garden growing bell peppers. I see y'all in the next video. You know what it is. Peace.